Hi all, welcome to our channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about the latest magnetic Pyraminx from QiYi, the new X-Men Bell Pyraminx V2. So without any further delay, let's get started. Bell Pyraminx V2 is the upgraded version of the Bell Pyraminx V1 by QiYi under the sub-brand X-Men. The Pyraminx has the first of its kind feature of adjusting magnet mechanisms. The cube comes in a well-designed hard cardboard box with the product name on it. Inside the box, we get a very cool looking fancy screwdriver with interchangeable bits, an instruction book, some extra magnets for the tips, and the puzzle itself. Talking about the specifications, the QiYi X-Men Bell Pyraminx V2 weighs only 76 grams, which is much lighter than the previous version. However, the size of the new Bell V2 is the same as that of the old Bell Pyra V1. Out of the box, the puzzle comes factory magnetized with a bit of lubrication and has a stickerless full bright shade color scheme. The new intended design comes with a gap between tips and edges and has a promising hand feel. Out of the box, its turning is quite comfortable, more refined, more textured, more controlled, and it's quite fast and smooth and has a very soft sound while turning. The headline feature of this puzzle is its adjustable magnet strength. You can change the strength of magnets while turning the puzzle with the adjustable screwdriver. Already this cube is on a moderate strength setting, but you can see 3 setting options. With the screwdriver, you can turn it towards the negative sign for weaker magnetic strength setting, where the magnets get down inside the puzzle to decrease the magnetic strength. Similarly, when you turn the screw towards the positive sign, the magnets move up and you get a stronger magnetic strength. You can adjust the strength according to your preference. However, the strongest magnetic field in this puzzle is not as strong as it was in the previous Bell Pyra. The tips of this Pyraminx are not so strong. However, you can add some extra magnets to it if you prefer strong strength at the tips. You can use 1, 2 or 3 magnets according to your style of rotation. Use 3 magnets only if you want super strong magnetic strength. We gave this Pyraminx to the Pyraminx expert Naren Ramesh. Let's hear what he thinks about it.
Hey, what's up guys, it's me Naren Ramesh, coming to you from Team Cubelelo. Today I'm going to be talking about the X-Men Bell version 2 Pyraminx. Out of the box, the puzzle had very dry and bumpy feel. It also had very light edging tip magnets, which is something I am personally not a big fan of. This brings me to my first point on the puzzle, which is the customizability. In this puzzle, you can customize the edge magnets and the tip magnets. You can customize the edge magnets by using a screwdriver and the tip magnets by stacking magnets on top of the ones that are already there. This is quite convenient and also very good considering the fact that most people prefer varying magnet strengths, especially for Pyraminx. Coming back to the turning, I feel that it is not that great out of the box. This can be combated by lubing it with a heavy lube and breaking it in and also loosening it because the puzzle came quite tight. This gave the puzzle a very smooth feeling and also a very controlled feeling. With this new feeling and increased magnet strength, I found the puzzle to be extremely fitting to my turning style. In my opinion, this is one of the best Pyraminxes on the market. For one, it will appeal to a large audience due to its customizability features, and secondly, it is also the successor to the highly successful X-Men Bell version 1, which is a puzzle that quite a few people like. If you are a person that enjoyed the X-Men Bell version 1, I can almost guarantee that you will enjoy the version 2 even more.
Overall, with better performance and a lot more features, this puzzle is the best Pyraminx in the market right now. Given all customization options, this puzzle is for all kind of skill set cubers, and its price is also almost the same as all other good Pyraminx in the market. We will give the link to buy this puzzle in the description box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for all our latest content. Do hit the like icon if you like the information in this video. We'll see you soon in the next one. Happy cubing!